and their profit is $25,314 per month. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Today's episode is going to be very interesting because I'm going to show you 3 types of job servicing agency that makes 5-figure. What I'm referring to is 5-figure net profit per month. So I hope you're excited, and let's jump right into it. Oh, before I forget, besides showing you the different types of job servicing agency that makes 5-figure, I will also show you how much exactly these job servicing agencies are making per month. The very first job servicing agency that I'm going to show you is very similar to what I'm doing, and the website is called creative.onl. This agency is a creative agency which is very similar to mine, and what they do is web design, app development, and creative digital growth services. Shortly, I will show you how much exactly they are earning. Let me show you their website. So as you can see, they are promoting design, build, content, strategy, growth kind of services, and they focus more on web development services. So anything to do with web design, here is a list of services that they are promoting. So app development, user experience design, web development, as well as content marketing. When you scroll down to their website, you can see that they do have a subscription-based service catered to different packages. So for example, if you just need the essential digital business growth, they are charging $512 per month. And this is in pounds, so this is a UK company. This type of job servicing agency, which focus on monthly subscription as their main business model, is very lucrative and very profitable because you can get recurring income as well as recurring clients. Now, let me show you how much exactly they are earning per month. I found their statistics and their revenues from this website called flippa.com, and these figures are verified by flippa.com. So what they are making per month is $11,250 per month, which is a very good profit. Making a 5-figure income as a job servicing agency is a very profitable business. Creative services in general are very in demand, and that is the reason why I do set up one myself as well. It is very easy for you to get leads as long as you have a target audience. If you want to learn exactly how I built my very own creative agency using job servicing method, I have a free course over here. I will also show you how you can get clients as well. Now let me show you another 2 more job servicing agency that is very profitable and is making 5-figure per month. So just now I mentioned about target audience. The next agency that I'm about to show you have a very specific target audience, which are the e-commerce businesses. This agency is called cvoacceleration.com, and they are specializing in promoting digital marketing services to e-commerce businesses. So they help e-commerce business increase sales via advertisements. So mainly the advertisements will be on online advertisements like Google Ads as well as Facebook ads. When it comes to a business that help another business to grow their revenue, this kind of business can actually get you much more profit and revenue for your job servicing business. Out of these 3 job servicing agencies that I'm going to show you today, this is the one that has the highest profit, and their profit is $25,314 per month. Digital marketing services is very in demand, so you can consider building this as your job servicing agency as well. The next digital agency that I want to show you guys are promoting digital products, and this is something that I have been always emphasizing on my channel. And this agency is called doneforyoudivas.com. Basically, this is a design company that sells pre-designed templates like website templates, social media graphics, and branding kits. They do offer custom design as well, and this is easily job serviced. As you can see, this digital agency is promoting 2 main products. One is the digital products, and another one will be the design services. Their most famous digital products are the templates. These templates are very profitable because you just need to ask the freelancer to create for you one time, and you can keep on selling it forever. And this is also the reason why they are making 5 figures per month, because they have several income streams from just one website. For this digital agency, it is making about $10,498 per month, which is really very good because most of their products are actually digital downloads, and you can tell that they have automation for this type of drop servicing business. The beauty about this drop servicing business is that you do not need to hire a full-time staff. Whenever you receive an order, you just need to outsource the job to a freelancer. This will reduce the business cost tremendously because you do not need to pay the full-time staff or your team on a monthly basis. All you need to do is to pay the freelancer whenever you receive an order, which most of the time your client already paid you. Generally, this business startup cost is very low, and you do not need to stock up any inventory at all. Even though the 3 agencies that I've showed you have a few different types of services that they offer, but they can hire a few different types of freelancers specialized in that service. This way they can form a team of freelancers that work on different projects. I hope that these 3 types of different drop servicing agency gives you an idea on what kind of services to promote and how your business should look like. Most importantly, you have learned that it is very profitable. These 3 different types of job servicing agency have proven that this job servicing business can make you 5-figure income. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it down in the comment section below, and I will do one video for you. I have more tips on how you can build your own profitable job servicing business around this channel, so do check out all my other videos. And if you are the type that like very short and straightforward kind of video, I have a TikTok account that focuses on giving very quick tips on drop servicing. The videos are less than 1 minute. So do follow me on TikTok. I will leave a link down in the description box below. So that's all for my video today. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.